How to use PeerSpace review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. PeerSpace is a platform for renting spaces for events, shoots, or meetings, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time and money. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not checking space details carefully. Most people get this wrong by booking without reviewing size, amenities, or rules. Always read descriptions, view photos, and confirm availability. Second mistake, ignoring location logistics. You won't believe how many users overlook parking, accessibility, or transportation options. Consider your guests' convenience and communicate clearly with the host. Third mistake, skipping reviews. The surprising truth is that past renter reviews offer insights on reliability, cleanliness, and host responsiveness. Ignoring them can lead to unpleasant surprises. Fourth mistake, not understanding pricing and fees. Beginners often see a low base rate, but forget service fees, cleaning costs, or security deposits. Calculate total cost before booking. Finally, failing to communicate with the host in advance is common. Clarify setup times, equipment needs, and policies to avoid misunderstandings. Using PeerSpace properly means reviewing space details, checking location logistics, reading reviews, understanding total costs, and communicating with hosts. Avoid these beginner mistakes to ensure smooth and successful bookings.